Hello everyone, welcome to the website education investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share my findings on the taiKSM and also show you how you can maximize the rewards. I talk about like how we can use a KSM, and now I find out there's another way we can have a better APY possibly. So I would like to show you how to maximize the rewards and also make a video, and we can come back and check after some time what is my rewards, right? So I plan to use 2 KSM that's worth a little bit less than $100, and after some time let's check how many KSM I can get. Okay, so let's go. Let's check what is that. So the taiKSM, that's the first synthetic KSM on Karura. And so this is designed to increase the usability of the KSM assets. So basically it's not a real token, it's just a synthetic. You could imagine like you already have the KSM now. Based on the KSM, for example, you can mint another token, and that token could have the same price as KSM, right? Just like an index of your stock or something. I think it's just similar idea. So this kind of a token, now you can earn that for free if you can stake your KSM. So the KSM staking itself, you can earn some rewards. So I'm going to show you how we can maximize that. First of all, you need to go to the Karura and log in. So I'm going to show you now. We'll go to the Karura. Karura is the KSM version of Arcana. You will connect to your wallet. I already connected to my wallet, and now I'm going to bridge some Karura, some KSM to that. So let's just try. I will just move 2 of them, but actually I would just use 2 KSM, and the rest of them I probably can do a LP staking with KR. Anyway, let's just transfer. And so it will ask you to sign, and you will just sign. And so they're using the XM now. I think it's 2-way now, so you can get it back easily as well. And so now it's done. So you do have a little bit KSM in the Karura chain. After you get that, now we need to do the liquid staking. So we're going to stake the KSM. So here I will just try 2, and don't stake the LKSM, because the reward for the LKSM is around 10%. Of course you can do that, and you can earn some rewards, but today in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to earn the taiKSM, and possibly the rewards will be higher. So let's go ahead to stake. So the APY for the KSM staking is 22%, and so we'll get it 2, and I don't stake the LKSM, and I will just click stake. So I will just sign. So now you are going to get the LKSM. So that's just like a certificate to show, okay, now you have staked the KSM, and then like in the future you can unstake that. You can come back here and unstake your KSM. Your LKSM, and you are going to get the KSM. So like you unstake, then you will just get the KSM. Okay, so now I have some LKSM. You can find it. Let's see where it is. So are we able to see that? And so if you do the swap, and you can check, oh, it's not here, but don't worry. It should be somewhere. So let's see the mint AUSD. Oh, it's here. So they use that as connect rule. I don't think I need to use that as connect rule. Let's just withdraw that. I don't know why by default they make it as connect rule. I never mint any AUSD, so I will just spend a little bit KR and get it back. So now I have some KSM in my wallet, right? So those are the KSM that I can use, and I can now show you how we are going to get the taiKSM. So we'll go to the we'll go back to the swap. There's a liquidity. And we can select the liquidity pair. So this one will take a little bit time, I think. Okay. And then we will choose the LP of KSM and the LKSM. Only those two will give you the taiKSM. And so now, here you don't really need to put your KSM as a liquidity pair. That's very interesting for this protocol. So you can just put all of your LKSM. So I will just do that. This is all of my LKSM, and KSM I just put 0. And so you can see that like you will get this many taiKSM minimum received, and the pool size, right? And so we just add the liquidity. So now we just add that. Now you are almost done. You just get the LP, and you are going to earn some taiKSM. And this taiKSM, once you earn that, you can also stake those taiKSM to earn additional rewards. And so here so here I already get that. Now you can see that here, like when you do the earn and the collateral staking, you can stake your taiKSM. And so for example, this is the one like I have. I just stake the LP, and instantly I get this taiKSM. Now I will just use that and the stake. So this staking taiKSM will give you additional rewards. And these additional rewards like will be added on top of the rewards you already have. So in summary, what you earn is, first of all, you stake your KSM. That's around 22% APY, and that's something like you already got, right? Now you stake the LP and then you mint the taiKSM, and then use this taiKSM. You stake them, get another 22. So it will be more than 40 overall, and now I stake them, and then like after some time I earn those taiKSM, and I can swap that back to the KSM. I can unstake that to get the LP, and unstake the LP to get the LKSM, and then unstake the LKSM. So there are several steps, but overall like you didn't borrow anything, so I don't think there's a risk. But of course, this taiKSM, hopefully there's no risk. We can get it back. It's on the Karura, so we have to believe in the Karura, like they can manage that well. But overall, like this is just a way, like one possible ways you can maximize your rewards. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is useful. If you do like it, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I would be really appreciated to have some new friends here. Thanks for watching. Bye.